Hey, welcome back. So finally, first official hands-on of iPhone 12 mini by George Buhnici. He have shown the actual size and looks of much awaited iPhone 12 mini. The original video has been released by George Buhnici, and we have just shown the main glimpse of this video to show our YouTube friends how the actual looks of this phone. So all the video credits goes to original creator only, which is George Buhnici. So after iPhone 6 to 11 series, we were seeing the same boring curved design, and finally Apple has changed the design into their 12 series. As we all know that the design is not new, and it's just like they have just upgraded the iPhone 5 and 5s with the new features and a bigger screen. So iPhone mini have the 5.4 inches screen, and if we compare with the new iPhone SE 2, so iPhone mini is smaller in body size but bigger in the screen size. Also 12 mini have the most powerful chipset, which is A14 Bionic. And phone have the full HD OLED display with Super Retina XDR 2340 by 1080 pixel. Back camera is dual camera of 12 megapixel and front camera is also 12 megapixel. And about the price, the 64GB variant is $699 USD and almost 70,000 in Indian rupees. So please subscribe to our channel for regular mobile related informative videos. Thank you.